Hello friends, welcome back in our series of VS Code extension and tips and tricks. Today in this video we will know about some useful VS Code tricks and shortcuts which will increase your productivity and coding speed up to 200%. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. Guys, sometime we have to change our variable names, and we used to change one by one. Like this variable name is used multiple times in this file. Here you can see. So if we want to change this variable name in our code, then click on that name, press Ctrl+D and again +D and again +D. Here you can see all base name are selected. Now we can change this name like file name. And if you want to select all the base name simultaneously, then you can select them by pressing Ctrl+Shift+L. Here you can see all base name variable of this file are selected, and now you can change them. And guys, in next video I will tell you how to change same lowercase name and same uppercase name simultaneously. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And guys, I have created a playlist on different useful VS Code extensions. They might be helpful for you. Please check out those videos also. Thank you guys.